Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. As you know, we were doing the chapter A Rupee Goes a Long Way, and we were on page number 28. We will start from here. Hello Koki, he said. Now he noticed that Koki was looking at the necklace. Then he said, "Hello Koki," because Koki was a neighbor. "What's that you have got, Ranji?" Now Koki said, "What you have? This kind of necklace? What you have?" "A necklace. Would you like to have it?" Now Ranji said, "I have one necklace. Do you want to take it?" "Oh, thank you," said Koki, clapping her hands with pleasure. Now Koki said, "Oh wow, do you want to take and do you want to give me?" Then he was Koki was very happy, and then Ranji said, "1 rupee." Ranji said, "Okay, I'll give you necklace, but I want 1 rupee." "Oh," said Koki. She made a face. Then made a face, meaning you can see here, showed she was not happy about having to pay for the necklace. Now when Koki realized that I have to pay 1 rupee for the necklace, so she was not happy. But Ranji was looking the other way and humming. Koki kept staring at the necklace. Then Ranji was like, "Okay, if you don't have rupee, then I will not give you." Then because Koki kept staring at the necklace, still Koki was looking at the necklace. Slowly she opened the little purse, took out a shining new rupee, and held it to a Ranji. Now because Koki really liked that necklace, she was like, "Okay, I love this necklace, so I want to take it." Then she opened her purse, and she has taken out one shining new rupee, and she has given this 1 rupee coin to Ranji. Now Ranji handed her the necklace. Now then because Ranji got the coin, Ranji got the 1 rupee, then he has given necklace to the Koki. Then he ran across to the Jumna sweet shop and tossed the coin to the counter. "Jalebis for 1 rupee," he said. Now, because obviously Ranji want to have jalebis, then he just ran back to the Jumna sweet shop, same shop, and he said, "Now I have properly I have 1 rupee coin, then just give me 1 rupee jalebi." The sweet seller studied the coin carefully and said, "Always at your service, sir." The sweet seller said, "Okay, now your coin is real. I will give you 1 rupee jalebi." He filled a paper bag with the hot jalebis and handed them over. Then he has given him jalebi in a paper bag. When Ranji reached the clock tower, he found Koki waiting. Then again he went back to the clock tower and he saw that Koki was waiting. "Oh, I'm hungry," she said, giving him a shy smile. So Koki said, "Oh, you have jalebi, I am also very hungry." So they sat side by side on the low wall and Koki helped Ranji finish the jalebis. Then they both started eating jalebis and they both finished jalebis together. Now here your chapter 1 rupee goes a long way is finished.